back, and yes, today is a beautiful Sunday morning. It is 6:35. We're headed towards Miramar, and this ride is sponsored or is in association with Motul. So we have finally made it to the first leg of the ride. We are actually lining up. The bikers are here at Miramar. I'll show you the lineup. There are approximately 51 riders. This ride was organized and sponsored by Motul, Tere, Sheher. Basically, they actually did this in every state of India, and I was glad that I was part of this beautiful ride from Miramar to Sholem. All courtesies to Zubair Bhai and the gang, that's the Rough and Tough Motorcycle Club of Goa.
इधर से सिंगल हाथ में जब सिंगल फॉर्मेशन marshals know their duty, what to do. No overtaking, no all that. Okay, peaceful ride. That is the only request from us. Okay, and marshals will be on the right side of the whole lineup. They will be controlling everyone, what to do, what not to do. Hope you all know the signals. Yes. Anybody? Signals. This is something on the left. Okay. Then stop. Okay. Stop like this, anything. Okay. This is fuel up, single formation, double formation. Okay, that's the simple thing.
So we were almost ready to ride off. Yes, and unfortunately there's a puncture on the very last bike, so we're actually in process of removing that. Dale? So we have finally made it to Mr. and Mrs. Food House in Sholim. The ride was perfect. We have one rider who is actually not willing to leave his bike, is Mr. Kedar. So let's go ahead and see how the setup is inside. I'm going to show you what the Motul, I think the Motul merchandise will be actually distributed right here, and it is very close to once you cross the bridge. Let's take a sneak peek of what's the setup inside now.
Fast tantrums over here. Every ride we have done, long rides, short rides, sponsored rides, over-sponsored rides, and less sponsored rides, all have been very, very good. We are all enjoying this ride very much and hope to see you all again and have much longer rides. And thank you to Narayan for this Motul here. Bikers Club. Bikers Club. वो हमारे बाइकर्स क्लब के आएंगे।
तो मोटुल कंपनी एक ही ऐसा है जो उसको लुब्रिकेंट स्पेशलिस्ट कहा जाता है। उसको क्यों कहा जाता है? क्योंकि मोटुल कंपनी सिर्फ लुब्रिकेंट बनाती है। बहुत सारे कंपनी ऐसे करते हैं कि जैसे कुछ लुब्रिकेंट पे नाम हो गया तो पैड बना दिया, फिर और कुछ बना दिया, फेरिंग बना दिया।
Hi, this is Rubana. My first ride with them. It's great. It's been great. The seaters were great, very helpful on the way. On the road, we faced no problems at all. Everything was very well organized. Yes. Hi, I am Rima Motul. About my experience of riding in a group, I've never.
Silence.
On a group ride, but last time when I went, I must tell you it was an amazing experience, learning experience too. That's it, thank you. I'm Suman, pillion rider with my husband.
Is this your first ride, madam?
No.
With us?
Yeah, no, I've been with the bullet second. This is the second one.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Lakshmi. I'm a pillion rider. अगस्त में ज्वाइन हुई थी यहाँ पे, लेकिन बहुत भारी ग्रुप है, रियल में रफ एंड टफ ग्रुप है और आई एंजॉय. आई गो ऑन राइड्स एवरी संडे एंड आई एंजॉय. I am Aarti Gedam. I am the first ride with Rough and Tough. I've known Sheher for a while. I do a lot of solo riding mostly across India. It's nice to be a part of this group. Thank you.
तो भी है।
So guys, that brings the end to the Sunday ride with the rough and tough riders in Goa. Of course, the ride was actually taken care by Motul. That's the reason every rider got a chain lube and a keychain from Motul. To many more rides, see you on the road again. This is Mumbaikar boy saying thank you. Till then, ride safe. Peace out.